Hi, my name is Andrew, and today we are at Lowe's. Yippee! And I think this is like my sixth video that will not starting at the garden. We have 4 things that we need to make better soil for our garden. First, we have worm poop, and we have topsoil, we have sand, and we have compost. So we mix this all in, and we use like equal parts of all of this, but we're not going to be using the worm poop. We're just going to like sprinkle some of that on, then yeah, it's good to go. We're going to be using all of this for the whole year. So guys, we're back in the garden, and that stuff that we got from Lowe's, we're going to be mixing that in this 5-gallon bucket. So guys, from that stuff that we're gonna be mixing in the bucket, we're gonna lay it out here, and we already got the hoops up because this is where we're gonna be putting like our lettuce and other stuff. So this is where we're gonna be putting out cool crops like lettuce, carrots, radishes, beets, and all that other stuff. Our soil is still pretty nice, but this soil is going to be better. And you guys are probably wondering what's in this bucket. So we already did like a test to see what it's going to look like. This is what it's going to look like when it's all mixed. And when we're done, we're all going to put it nice in there. Just like that. That's more sand than I thought. Now we're going to be doing the compost. Equal parts. Remember, equal parts. Equal parts is good for your garden. If they're not equal, I wouldn't say it's bad, but it's not. But it's just better to have equal parts. Hallelujah, hallelujah. So guys, now we got topsoil. And topsoil is just dirt. So we're gonna be putting some topsoil / dirt in here. Okay. Yippee! Now we're gonna be mixing all this stuff together. So we're gonna get this in, and we're gonna get it ready to go. So we go pick this up, and now dump it. Okay, there it is, our masterpiece. Say hello to my little friend. Ugh. So right now, I'm just flipping it and mixing it in. Hang on, what is that? Is this a potato from last year? Do you guys remember that video? If you haven't, after this, you should probably go and see it. How is it still here? I don't know how, but I'm just gonna put it in the compost bucket. So now we're smoothing it out to get ready for spring. So now we're just smoothing it out. So in our next video, we can plant our spring vegetables in here. So they're gonna be like carrots, lettuces, radishes, beets, and all of that good stuff. Now, my favorite part, the worm poop. Sprinkle it carefully. We want all of it to be all of it. We don't want any of this secret soil to be left out. So guys, this is where we're going to be ending the video. And make sure you guys don't forget that I'm going to be giving away free seeds. And I'm going to be picking just one of you guys, my viewers, to get them. And don't worry if you don't get them, because probably next year we're probably going to be doing another giveaway. So guys, now, if you don't know that, now I have a Facebook page. Yippee! If you guys don't know that, that's okay. I'm telling you guys right now. And you should really come in and check it out. It's cool, so just search my name, Andrew's Veggie Patch, then boom, you found my Facebook page. So make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!